My name is Jérôme. I'm the director of La Guinguette, a French bistro located on Cheltenham Road in Bristol. Not before starting the business. I come from a foreign country. We started trading in September last year, so when we started we tried lots of different brands, mainly from grocery stores, until a manager from Jantex came to meet us and introduced the products, and since then we're only using them. I use Jantex lemon floor gel. It's efficiency, it's very efficient on stains. The concentration of the gel is perfect. Even stains floor, it kind of scratches all the remaining strong stains, and also it leaves a very nice smell after that. We're using Jantex cleaner and sanitizer on most of our surfaces. The most efficient we've tried since we've started. We try a lot of basics from different shops. This one is really good. We basically pour it in bottles with the regular dilution, and yes, very effective. So we're using the Jantex oven and grid cleaner on both of our ovens. We've tried several solutions before that until we got this product. Very efficient. You can clean your oven in 10 minutes. Really good. We're using Jantex Blue Roll, and only this one since we discovered it. We tried several Blue Rolls, but the quality wasn't worth the price. It's the best we've tried since we've started, so we just keep on with this one. Obviously in a restaurant you use lots of Blue Rolls, so yes, definitely the one we would recommend. We're using Jantex foam sponges for cleaning most of our surfaces. They are very efficient. You don't need to pass several times, very resistant as well. So very happy with this product. Like in every restaurant, we're using a lot of washing up gloves. So we choose Jantex because as the rest of the products, they're super resistant, very good.